sun's coming down like a curtain of gray. Wipers fighting hard, trying to clear my way. The mountain winds howl, cutting deep through the cold. This old rig's my partner, she's steady and bold. Fog rolls in thick on this two-lane track. Ain't no turning round, I can't look back. Every mile's a gamble, every bend's a test, but I keep on rolling, doing my best. Dangerous roads and heavy loads, steel and grit's the life I've chose. Through the storm, through the night, I'll find my way. A trucker's heart don't quit, come what may. Snow's drifting high on the mountain pass. Chains on my tires, I'm spinning through glass. The CB crackles with voices of the brave, brothers and sisters fighting the same ways. There's a picture of home on my dashboard light, keeps me moving forward through the blackest night. I hear their laughter echo in my mind, and I know this road will lead me to their side. Dangerous roads and heavy loads, steel and grit's the life I've chose. Through the storm, through the night, I'll find my way. A trucker's heart don't quit, come what may. Down by the river where the shadows creep, the devil came calling his promises deep. He said, boy, I'll take you, I'll make you a deal. But he didn't know I had no soul to steal. I laughed in his face, said you've come too late. This heart's been hollowed by the hand of fate. You can search all you want, but you'll find no appeal, 'cause this man's got nothing, no soul to steal. He tried to tempt me with gold and fame, promised the world fortune and a name. But the scars on my chest, they've long been sealed. A broken man's got no soul to yield. I laughed in his face, said you've come too late. This heart's been hollowed by the hand of fate. You can search all you want, but you'll find no appeal, 'cause this man's got nothing, no soul to steal. Oh, the devil stood silent, his fire turned cold. He saw in my eyes a story untold. You're empty inside, he whispered real low. I said, that's the price when life lets you go. So he turned on his heel back to the dark. fiery grin fading, no longer a spark. For the damned and the lost, there's no grand reveal. When you're born with nothing, there's no soul to steal.